French curl hairstyle. That is the trending style right now on TikTok. We are going to use that French curl attachment. I'm going to leave the link in my bio on where I got it from Amazon. And for the style, we are going to do knotless. We are going to do 2 attachments to a maximum of 3. Make sure you don't put it so much, and then braid it down like maybe 5 to 6 times. Don't start doing the leave outs very early. One reason is because this hair slips out really easily, and therefore if you just braid like 2 braids, it's going to start slipping out. And then for the leave outs, you just split it from the attachment that you had. You don't have to have like a specific hair to do the splits from, and therefore that's what I'm going to do. And for this style, what I did is that the first 2 to 3 rows I was only doing 2 splits or 2 leave outs, but as I continued braiding up, I was doing 4 splits or leave outs. And as you braid down, don't do it up to the end. You braid it up to a certain length that the client wants it, and then you tie a knot. Now you split a small piece of hair and then just tie a knot the way you can see me doing that one. I was able to do it with the 2 of them, but some people do with glue. Whichever way that works for you, that is okay. And as I was braiding there, I started remembering that initially we used to do French curls in a different way. We would braid the whole hair down and then up to a certain level, and then we start doing, we leave it, the curls, we leave the curls. We've really come far when it comes to hairstyles, and therefore I just appreciate the art in hair and what changes that are happening. So as you do hair, you learn a lot, but one of the most important thing is that you need to really keep yourself up to date with the hairstyles that are trending. These are styles that my client sent just a picture to me, and then I was able to see from the picture, I could tell how this style was done. So I just thought of maybe doing a tutorial on it. I tried to check tutorial on YouTube and I didn't get so much tutorial. I don't know, probably it's because I'm the one who was searching for the wrong thing and I couldn't get. But anyway, I decided to do one for you guys so that someone can also benefit from these, from this tutorial. And I'm glad I was able to capture this. As I was doing this, at some point my camera slipped out and was not able to capture some part of it. But anyway, I was able to do my best to capture like the whole tutorial step by step, and I hope this one is going to help somebody. So for this style, there are 2 different ways you can do it. On my video, you'll see that I left it long. There are 2 different ways you can do it. You can either cut or trim the end so that it can be short, or you can leave it the way it was long. My client wanted it long. One thing that I really also learned when I was doing this style is that if you have short hair, I feel like this style will come out more nicely and better compared to when you have very long hair, the way my hair is. If you've been watching my videos, I feel like there is a limit that if it reaches, you want it to to end there. So I feel like if you have very short hair like my client, not very short, but my client had short hair, I feel like it would really come out perfectly well. So yes, even short hair, long hair, this hairstyle is so good. So look at the final end, the way the box are perfectly aligned. Thank you so much. You can see how long they are. Good, perfect. Thank you. Bye.